In your own time, nori kombu and wakame were often enjoyed in sushi, and the gum extracted from it was used in ice cream. That seems most improbable. Storage compartment. Why?
I want to get a better look at those mystery ships. Come on, Squibs. We got work.
Ethan, I'm still not convinced that you... Wait, Ethan, whatever you're intending to do, I had better go... Sit down. Thing under control up there?
It's awesome.
Good. Because... I'm about to lose control down here. Try rerouting the auxiliary supply into the thing.
Central converter?
Somebody's gotta fly this thing. Are we still airborne?
Uh-huh. At the moment.
Oh, good. Somebody take over.